Finding your W-2 form on the Workday app is a straightforward process. Here's a concise guide to help you locate and download your W-2. Log in. Open the Workday app on your mobile device. Enter your credentials to log in. Navigate to the Pay section. From the home screen, tap on the Pay icon. This icon might look like a $sign or a paycheck. Access tax documents. In the Pay section, look for an option labeled Tax Documents or Year-End Documents. This is where all your tax-related documents are stored. Select the W-2 form. Tap on the W-2 link for the relevant tax year. The app should display a list of available tax years. Choose the year you need. View and download. Tap on the W-2 form to view it. You can also download the form to your device by selecting the download icon, which is typically displayed on the screen. Print or share. If you need a hard copy, use your device's print function to print the form. You can also share the document via email directly from your device if needed.